everyone, what's up? All good? Good. Okay, so as you might have already guessed that in today's video I'm going to be creating this beautiful no makeup look, but the speciality is that it's sweat proof, oil proof, waterproof, and it will not give you breakouts. And yeah, I know I'm guaranteeing so many things, but trust me, it's 100% trial and tested. Like I am trying so many things कि कैसे मैं स्पेशली मानसून पे अपनी स्वेट को एंड ऑयल को कंट्रोल करूँ, बिकॉज माई स्किन इज हेल ऑयली एंड दैट्स वाई स्पेशली माई टी एरिया गेट्स रियली वेरी स्वेटी एंड ऑयली रियली वेरी क्विकली. बट इन दिस मेकअप लुक ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys so many tips and tricks, so I hope this video will help you a lot. So without further ado, let's get started.
So I am going to start from screen prepping, which is really very important for this makeup look. So I took 2 to 3 eyes and my skin is already moisturized, so I am doing this after my moisturization. And normal towel पे just wrap your eyes and you have to keep that in your mind. eyes से पानी नहीं आना चाहिए, that's why coat your eyes 2 to 3 layers of your towel, and you just need to give that कोल्डनेस ऑफ द आइस एंड ना कि जो पानी है आइस का वो, एंड टी एरिया पे थोड़ा सा होल्ड करके रखो. इसके मदद से ऑयल सिक्रिएशन बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है एंड स्वेट भी बहुत कम होता है. एंड यू कैन टोटली सी दैट आई एम जस्ट प्रेसिंग इट एंड कोई पानी नहीं आ रहा है, बिकॉज यू नीड टू डू दिस स्टेप लाइक दिस. वाटर नहीं आना चाहिए, बस वो कोल्डनेस देना चाहिए. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज सनस्क्रीन. दिस इज़ क्यूरोस्को सनस्क्रीन एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेवरेट sunscreen of mine, because first of all this is gel based, second of all it's not tinted, which I love the most, and also it will not give you white cast, and I just love this sunscreen. And now I'm going to give you a zoom look that you can see that my face is looking glowing but not sweaty or oily. And again I'm going to repeat that eye step on top of the sunscreen, because sometimes after using sunscreen pores lock हो जाता है, that's why बहुत ज़्यादा sweating होता है and oil secretion भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है after using sunscreen. So use it even regular use में, irregular time पे भी you can do this step. ये sunscreen से जो स्वेटिंग होता है वो ये नहीं होगा, एंड यू कैन टोटली सी दैट माई फेस इज़ नॉट स्वेटी. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज लूज पाउडर. ओके, डोंट वरी, आई एम डूइंग दिस बिफोर माई फाउंडेशन, आई नो दैट. एंड जस्ट डैम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से आई एम सेटिंग माई फेस लाइक जैसे नॉर्मल फेस सेटिंग होता है. बट यू कैन गेट दैट फ्रॉम माई एप्लीकेशन इज़ दैट आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग द पाउडर ओनली ऑन माई टी जोन एरिया, माउथ एरिया पे एंड आईलिड पे. दैट्स इट. आई एम नॉट सेटिंग लाइक फोर हेड एंड माई चीक्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो या दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डोंट वरी, इसके ऊपर जब आप फाउंडेशन इस्तेमाल करोगे कुछ भी नहीं होगा. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग लैक्मी CC cream and this is in the shade I think 2, because they have 2 to 3 shade, not much. And yeah, it seems like it's lighter than my skin tone, but absolutely not. Even you can use foundation on top of it, don't worry, because this is a natural makeup look. That's why I take the CC cream. You can totally take your foundation, whatever foundation you like, and within a second you can see that कि वो जो फाउंडेशन है या फिर CC क्रीम है, यू कैन टोटली सी फ्रॉम माई फेस दैट मेरी स्किन पे ये बहुत अच्छी तरह से बैठ गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द eyes. You can totally see the glow also, but it's not sweaty and I love it. Now I'm going to use concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal and this is in the shade medium, and this is exactly matches my skin tone. This is not a lightening concealer. When you are doing a no makeup look, you need to keep that in your mind that you have to use a concealer which matches to your skin tone perfectly. And this concealer is too good, and if you need like more coverage, use your finger instead of using like beauty blender. Like right eye pe I have blend this with beauty blender, but left side pe I will show you that if you use your finger, जो finger की जो heat होता है, that can actually give you like a more full coverage, and within a second you will see the difference. Like can you see the difference between my two eyes? Left eye पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा coverage है, but right eye पे उतना ज़्यादा coverage नहीं है. Anyways, now I'm going to set my face with Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 25 medium. And I am doing like baking. This is not like baking, you know what I mean. This is not like proper baking. Just मैंने अंडर आई पे इस्तेमाल करने के बाद I am setting my rest of my face and like for like 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that. And I am just going to now blend my under eye too. इससे क्या होता है कि अगर कोई एक्स्ट्रा जो स्वेट या फिर ऑयल रह भी जाता है वो ये एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. And now I am going to give you a zoom look where you can see the flawless of my skin, like flawless of the base makeup. And can you see that? I just love it. Like look at this, there is no oil, there is no sweat, and you need this, like just love it. Okay, and I'm going to move on to brows. For brow I am using like LA color brow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown, and this is not available I think anymore बिकॉज कहीं पर भी मुझे नहीं मिला है, इसीलिए मैं इसका लिंक नहीं दे सकती हूँ आपको. सो यू कैन टोटली ट्राई मिस क्लियर आईब्राउ पेंसिल विच इज़ माई सेकेंड फेवरेट ब्राउ पेंसिल. एंड फ्रॉम द वेट एंड वाइल्ड रोज पैलेट आई टेक दिस ब्यूटिफुल मॉप शेड, एंड यू कैन टोटली सी दैट आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग it on all over my lid and crease. Even you can skip the eyeshadow part, but I love like little bit of color. And now I am taking from the same palette, I am taking this biscuit brown color, and I am just like using it outer corner pe just to give like a little bit of depth. And yeah, that's it. And I will take, now I am going to take like a beautiful rusty brown shade. You can see that this is not a proper rust color, this is rusty brown, and I am just smoke out my lower lash line, and that's it. Now from that same palette I take this champagne color eyeshadow, and you can see that I am blending it inner corner se leke brow bone tak. This technique will give little bit of depth to your eyes, and it will make your eyes like more poppy. And now I'm going to use white kajal from Rimmel Cosmetics. Even you can use nude kajal, and one of my favorite nude kajal is from Wet n Wild, and even I think Rimmel has also their nude kajal. And whenever you're using nude or white kajal, do before using your mascara. Now I am using mascara, Maybelline mascara, one of the most popular mascara, and if I am not wrong, this is waterproof too. I just don't like to use false lashes. If you love, you can totally use that. And I'm going to use one of my most favorite product, which is this Etude House Lip and Cheek Tint. And oh my god guys, this product is like out of the world. Okay, and maybe it looks little bit of heavy or like too much, but trust me, this actually melts into your skin and give you like a proper blushy effect, natural blushy effect. And just use your finger, do not use beauty blender, because this is a tint, so the pigmentation of this product is little lesser. So don't use beauty blender, just use your finger, and this product is outstanding. Now look at this, can you even detect that मैंने ब्लश पहना है? एंड आई जस्ट लव इट. ट्राई दिस, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली पिंक फ्राइडे सेल चल रहा है, बट दे आर लाइक आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज लिप लाइनर. दिस इज फ्रॉम मिस क्लेयर, and this is in the shade wine. By the way, all the links will be in the description box, and Pink Friday sale is running on. And now I'm going to use these two lipstick. This is from Maybelline, and this is their actually new collection. First I am using that NU021, and I think 4 ऐसे mini packet पे आता है, and these lipsticks are outstanding. The feelings of these lipsticks are like, oh my god, it's better than the Huda one. Trust me, I just love this. And on top of it, I'm going to use this shade. This is NU01, and this is lighter than the previous lipstick, and this is called a perfect no makeup sweat proof look.
For today's video, I hope you have loved it and also find something useful and helpful. Do not forget to try these tricks and tips, and also this tutorial is for everyone, no matter what skin type you have. You're going to love this tutorial, and this gonna be helpful for sure. Don't forget to comment down below that कि ये tricks and tips आपको सच में help हुआ कि नहीं. I would love to see that. And after all of this, don't forget to subscribe baby, because we are very close to 2K. Anyways, if you love this video, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. It would mean a lot for me. So yeah, see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and most importantly, I am telling this in every single video that stay safe and stay at home. Bye bye.